Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to automate repetitive tasks with Gemini 2.0.
So the first thing is that you will just open the Google Calendar, and from here I will just set my task. Here you will see every Sunday my task is to clean my two old cars, and every Monday I do my task to make vlog on traveling. So what can I do? You will just select the new task on the date which you set. I will just tab on it 30 and tap to this top right corner bottom is plus icon, and here is tasks. So just tap on it, and from here you will just add your any task, select the date and days. You can also add the details from here. So when you just select it, so I already set my tasks. So you will just open the Gemini dot AI of 2.0 version, and from here you will just ask it that your task which is pinpoint in your Google Calendar. So I will just ask it in this week my task. So go for search and let's see, and make sure your Google workspace that connected with this Gemini dot AI. So here you will see, so every Sunday my task is to clean my two old cars on Sunday, and every Monday I do my tasks to make a vlog on daily traveling. So that's it. This is how to automate repetitive tasks on Gemini 2.0 version.
Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.